Hi, my name is Cheryl Spangler, and welcome to the Good Side of Crypto. And in today's video, I want to briefly describe what the January giveaway is on our channel. To our community members every month for the entire year of 2022, and we started on December in 2021, giving away one totally cool item that you choose every month. And this month, I asked the community what they wanted. They had 5 choices, and the pretty unanimous choice was a free piece of virtual land. This month, we're giving away a piece of virtual land inside OVR lands, and it is a hex virtual land piece at the White House in Washington, D.C. So you will own a piece of virtual land at the White House in Washington, D.C. if you win on the 20th. And you have 24 hours to enter on the 20th. Check out goodsideofcrypto.com/giveaway for the latest and how to enter. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.
The sun is shining, I knew it would. The world's a playground, I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.